Remember that an adjective is a word or group of words used to modify the meaning of a sentence, making it more descriptive. In other words, it can add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Remember that adjectives can appear before or after the term they modify. Let's take an example. She wore a black shirt here. The adjective black modifies the noun dress, and it comes before the noun. Another example is, the sunset was breathtaking in this sentence. The adjective breathtaking also modifies the noun sunset, and here adjective comes after the noun. Now the proper adjectives are created by taking proper nouns and using descriptive words to modify nouns and pronouns. Generally, they are classed with descriptive adjectives like the proper adjective corresponding to the proper noun China is Chinese, and the proper adjective corresponding to the modified noun friend is friendly. Look at an example over here. My favorite color is French blue here. French is a proper adjective that is derived from the proper noun France. Another example is, Sarah wore a Scottish tartan skirt. Here Scottish is a proper adjective that is derived from the proper noun Scotland. Recall that the proper noun is a specific name that identifies a particular person, place, or thing, such as Scotland or France. It is used to refer to that specific entity and is distinguished from common nouns, which refer to general categories of things. Keep in mind that proper adjectives usually resemble their corresponding proper nouns, but they typically have a different suffix or ending. For example, Adam lives in Pakistan. Here Pakistan is the proper noun. Also, Adam loves Pakistani culture. Here Pakistani is a proper adjective which is formed from its proper noun Pakistan. Moreover, proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns, and as a result, they are written with an initial capital letter to distinguish them from common adjectives. Such as, her favorite author is Shakespearean. So, in the above sentence, Shakespearean is a proper adjective that is derived from the proper noun Shakespeare. It describes the literary style or works of William Shakespeare, the famous English playwright and poet. The word is capitalized because it is a proper adjective. However, when a prefix precedes a proper adjective, the prefix should not be capitalized. However, the proper adjective itself should still be capitalized to denote its proper noun origin. Like, the post-impressionist era in art was marked by the work of many French artists. And in the above example, post-impressionist is a proper adjective that is derived from the proper noun impressionism. It describes the artistic movement that followed Impressionism in the late 19th century. The prefix post- is not capitalized, but the proper adjective impressionist is capitalized because it is derived from a proper noun. Note that there are some proper adjectives which derive from proper nouns ending in -en/-en/en. For instance, the proper adjectives that end in aren't like Californian derived from California, Brazilian derived from Brazil, European derived from Europe, and African derived from Africa. Also, improper adjectives ending in -ic, like economic related to economics, historic related to history, basic related to the basics. And proper adjectives ending in -sa, such as Taiwanese derived from Taiwan, Burmese derived from Burma/Myanmar, Lebanese derived from Lebanon.